TV3 News has learned that the Financial Ombudsman has received 60 complaints so far this year relating to tracker mortgages. The central bank today warned lenders to be more open and honest with customers who are switching from trackers.
Ever since the financial crash, the central bank has been getting tough on lenders, and today banks were warned that when it comes to tracker mortgages, they have to clean up their acts. Trackers are low-rate, great-value mortgages that have since been discontinued, but that hundreds of thousands of homeowners were lucky enough to get in the boom years. The central bank says in many cases lenders are not fully explaining the consequences or costs of switching from a tracker.
Up until now, what you would see is that when you're coming off, for instance, a fixed rate, you would get a list of other rates that you can go for. The third one on the list might be a tracker, the first one might be the variable, and you have to tick a box. And it didn't really spell it out for people, the gravity of what you were doing.
The central bank also said today it has not found any evidence of banks offering incentives to move off tracker mortgages. However, the banking watchdog, the Financial Ombudsman, has said that he has received a number of complaints from people who claim that banks have tried to force them off their tracker mortgages. Figures obtained by TV3 News show that so far this year, the Ombudsman has received 60 complaints relating to tracker mortgages. 41 of those are from people who claim they didn't fully understand the consequences when they switched from a tracker rate. Figures out today show that the number of new mortgages being issued is continuing to plummet, down almost 40% on this time last year.
We've had over 7,800 mortgages written to the tune of 1.3 billion. Of course, when they compare that with the same quarter the previous year, it's down 35+% in volume and more so in terms of value.
The average size of a first-time buyer mortgage has now fallen to its lowest level since 2005. Brian O'Donovan, TV3 News.